If you've been on the internet sometime in the last 25 years, you may have heard of affiliate marketing. Maybe you were looking into a side hustle that can help you earn a little bit of extra cash on the side, or you were looking for a way to financial freedom and you Googled how to make money online, or something to that effect, and people on the internet talked about affiliate marketing and you thought, what the heck is affiliate marketing? Or maybe you've seen videos on Instagram or TikTok where people will try to sell you and tell you how they made millions of dollars just by marketing online through affiliate marketing, and you thought, what the heck is affiliate marketing? I'm Keely, social media manager here at ClickBank and very micro social media influencer. When I first started working at ClickBank, I never realized how deep and wide the world of affiliate marketing truly was. I went swirling down the rabbit hole of all things affiliate marketing and came out the other side a little bit overwhelmed with information, frankly, but also a little bit wiser. So I'm here to talk to you about what the heck affiliate marketing is and how you can get started with affiliate marketing today. At the base of it all, affiliate marketing is simply about making money online. As an affiliate, your job is to find products you can promote online and, well, promote them. With affiliate marketing, there are 3 key players in the game. You've got the product owner or brand, a business looking for more people to promote their products online. You've got the consumer, the person who will buy those products, and then you've got the affiliate, or you, if you so choose. The affiliate promotes the brand's products and the consumer buys those products. You, the affiliate, receive a percentage of each sale on the product, which is how you earn money, and the business gets more people to keep purchasing their products. The money you earn as an affiliate all comes from the commissions earned when you get a sale through your own special tracking link. Brands choose their commission rates based on a bunch of calculations and factors that we won't worry about because our whole goal here is just to start promoting products. While it seems simple enough, there's a lot of nuances that come with affiliate marketing. With all the different niches, audiences, product types, sub-niches, and everything in between, it can feel really convoluted trying to get started. However, I'm here to break it down for you term by term and step by step. Let's go. So we know what affiliate marketing is. At its core, promoting products from a seller or brand and pocketing commissions for every sale you generate. So let's go back to the basics and break it down. Affiliate marketing has 3 key players, right? We've determined this. We have the business owner, so let's start with them. The business owner, we'll call them Paul in this case, wants to promote their products and gain more customers and sales for their business. Let's say Paul owns a supplement company. Paul's supplement company has been doing pretty well on its own, but they're not really seeing the continued growth they were hoping for. Paul's supplement company decides they want to budget for an affiliate program to get affiliates to help with their marketing efforts. So the company reaches out to a few affiliate networks and they finally find the right one for them. Next, Paul's chosen affiliate network helps onboard Paul's supplements onto their marketplace. They work with Paul to decide what kind of commission rate they'd like to offer to affiliates who promote their supplements, and they iron out a few more nitty-gritty details. From there, the affiliate marketer, possibly you, comes along. You watch this video on what the heck affiliate marketing even is anyways, and then you decide it's time for you to jump into the rabbit hole of affiliate marketing as well. You take the first step, which is deciding on your niche. Deciding on your niche essentially means you're choosing what kinds of products and promotional space you want to be in. When I first started with affiliate marketing, I took a look at myself, my hobbies, and what I enjoyed, and I decided on a health and wellness niche since that aligns a lot with what I like to do and my day-to-day lifestyle. Once you've decided on your niche, you'll take some time to research different affiliate products within that niche to find a product that you think will sell well to your audience. Friendly tip from a fellow affiliate, when it comes to searching for affiliate programs, I like to take a look at a few different factors to help me decide on the best affiliate program for me. I first will look at commission rates that are generally offered amongst the affiliate program. Then I'll check out the marketplace and get a feel for how intuitive and easy to use the platform is. I also like to look at the different products on the marketplace and make sure they align with my niche, my goals, and my potential audience. As an affiliate, once you've chosen your niche, your affiliate program or programs, and the products you're going to promote, you're pretty much there. The biggest decision now is whether you're going to focus on a paid traffic source or an organic one. What does this mean? Think of the 2 options as cars. Paid promotions are sort of like driving a really nice fast car, a Porsche or a Ferrari maybe. It's gonna cost you more upfront, but it'll get you where you wanna go really fast. Essentially, paid affiliate marketing promotion is promoting products of your choice in the paid space, whether that's paid advertising on Meta, Facebook, Google, or native. It costs money up front to get that going, but once you do, a lot of affiliates really quickly see a big return on their investment since paid advertising reaches a larger targeted audience more quickly. On the other hand, there's organic affiliate marketing. If we stick with our car example, organic is sort of like the Honda Accord of affiliate marketing. Nothing fancy, but dang if it isn't reliable and consistent. It's not going to cost you a lot out the gate, but with a little love and some consistent driving, you'll reach your destination as well. Organic affiliate marketing is simply promoting products without paying to reach your audience. That can look like growing an organic audience on social media as a content creator, creating YouTube videos, having a podcast, publishing blog posts, or anything else that reaches an audience organically. Organic affiliate marketing definitely takes a longer time to see return on investment, but it's totally worth it if you're willing to dedicate the time and effort into it, and it's definitely a stable way to grow your own business for the long term. Check out our video going more in depth on how to monetize your social content by clicking the card in the top right or the link in the description. With that in mind, once you've decided between paid and organic, you're off to the races, metaphorically speaking. It's time to start promoting your products. As an affiliate, there's a ton that goes into the preparation of becoming an online marketer. Understanding what affiliate marketing is and how to get started is the base for the beginning of your journey. Okay, so there's one more key player here in the affiliate marketing world, the consumer, aka the customer or buyer. This is the third party who's purchasing the products that you, the affiliate, are promoting. The buyer is a person within your niche that you're trying to reach, either through paid media on platforms like YouTube ads or Facebook ads, or through organic channels like social media or a blog. So you've got the brand, like Paul's Supplement Company, who's looking to get their products promoted to new audiences. You have the affiliate, you, who's going to promote Paul's products. And you have the consumer or the person in your niche who's going to make a purchase on the product you're promoting. Once they've taken that action, the seller, Paul, receives the money from that sale, and you, the affiliate, earn a commission on that sale. And then bam, you've earned your first dollars from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is most certainly not for the faint of heart. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, research, and drive. It's definitely not like a get-rich-quick scheme. It's an actual legitimate business model you can use to make money online if you're willing to put in the work. So now you know what affiliate marketing is. Now it's time for you to get started. If you're looking for a bit more inspiration, you can check out Brett Bull's story, a high school teacher who quit his job to become a full-time affiliate. You can click here or here. If you're looking for some more education, you can check out my tutorial on how to get started with affiliate marketing for $0. You can click here or here. If you want to learn how to make organic content like Reels and TikToks, you can check out our tutorial on how to do that here and here. Also, if you liked this video and you want more educational content like this, make sure to like and comment. It seriously helps a ton. And if you want more awesome stuff from us, hit the subscribe button on my face. Bye!